Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious ice cream with just 3 ingredients. You'll be surprised how easy it is to make this ice cream. So let's quickly get started how to make this ice cream. Three ripe bananas. These are medium size, and cut them into like so. Okay. I'm now going to put this in a container and I'm going to let this freeze overnight in my refrigerator. Now I'm going to put them inside my freezer and let it freeze overnight. So these bananas have been frozen in the freezer for about 12 hours overnight. Now I'm going to put them in my mixer blender jar. Okay. Now to the bananas I'm going to add around 1 cup of milk. Okay, so let's add the milk first. That's about 200 ml milk. Next, I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, that's all that is required now. Let's shut the blender and start blending it. So I've made this into a nice smooth paste. All the bananas are now all mashed. If you look at the texture of this particular mixture, it depicts the cream of ice cream, melted ice cream. To make the ice cream more delicious, I'm going to add white chocolate chips. I'm using white chocolate. If you want, you can use dark chocolate. Or if you want, you can even use candy bars. So it does not matter what you're using. Whatever flavor you like, you can add that to your ice cream mixture. So I'm going to use white chocolate chips. So I'll use about 100 grams of white chocolate chips and mix it with my ice cream mixture. Now let's fill the ice cream mix in our containers that we want to freeze it in. So I'm going to now put this in my container and let it freeze for about 5 to 6 hours. First, I'm going to go ahead and put some cling film around the container. Alright, and now I'm going to put this in my freezer and let this freeze 5 to 6 hours. So see you then. It's been now like about 5 hours that it's in the freezer. Let's go ahead and open it now. Wow, the ice cream looks delicious. Let's go ahead and scoop some ice cream in our ice cream glass goblets. So here you go. My ice cream is now ready to eat. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the recipe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home. Before I serve my ice cream, I'm just going to garnish it a little bit with walnuts, chopped walnuts, and make it look more pretty.